Using a drawing template is a key aspect of Civil 3D because all of the settings for your drawing objects are saved within the drawing template file. This means that when you start a new drawing from a template, your selected template contains all the settings that will be copied into that new file. On the Settings tab of the Toolspace, you can see all of the styles, label styles, formats, and command settings. You can also see the features settings and drawing settings, which are all saved in the drawing template file. In addition to the Civil 3D features, the standard AutoCAD features such as layers, layouts, dimension styles, text styles, and plot setups are saved in the template as well. Click the Application menu and select Options, and the Options dialog box opens. On the Files tab, you can see all of the program settings, which include the Drawing Template folder location. This is typically set to a network location so that everyone within your organization can share the same templates. This location may be read-only so that only certain personnel have access to make changes to the template. There is also the default template for the QNEW command in the Options dialog box. Click Close. There are a few other ways in which you can start a drawing from a template file. In the Quick Access toolbar, the QNEW command is linked to the New button. When you click the New button, it starts a new drawing using the default template that is set in the Program Options for the QNEW default. This is also the template that is used when you open Civil 3D for the first time, and it starts as a blank drawing called Drawing 1. Alternatively, when you open the Application menu and select New, the Select Template dialog box opens. Here you can select any desired template. The dialog box is automatically mapped to the location you set in the Program Options for the Drawing Template file location. You can also select a template in the Prospector. Select Master View, and at the bottom are the drawing templates. Again, this is mapped to the folder location set in the Program Options for the Drawing Template file location. Once you find the company template you want to use, you can right-click it and select to either create a new drawing or open the template. Again, there are several ways to access your templates. The important thing is that when you start new drawings in Civil 3D, you start them using the appropriate template so that you start off with all the appropriate styles, settings, command defaults, layers, and plotting information that you will need to have. It is strongly recommended that you have templates that are separate for your survey department versus your civil department, as well as a template that can be used for plan production sheets or model-based files only.